What's up, guys? Are you getting ready to go on vacation and you don't know what to do with your eBay store?
There are a couple different options that you have, and we're going to dive into those in just a minute.
That's right, but first, we're Rob and Melissa with Flea Market Flipper. We've been flipping items for years and absolutely love the flipping biz.
And we are about to embark on another picking adventure. We've done a couple of these over the years, and we're about to hit the road again.
That's right, for 5 weeks. This is a 5-week truck around the U.S. and actually ending in Michigan for the 127-yard sale.
Michigan to Alabama this year. We've done it previously the other way because we are from Florida.
Yep.
But we're going to try it the other way around because we got to be back in time for the kids to start
That's
school.
it. So back to our question, what do you do when you're going on vacation with your eBay store?
So before they had vacation mode, eBay used to always have vacation mode. You had that option if you had an eBay store. Now they changed that recently to time away. So now you go into your back office and you can do time away, which we're going to show you in just a minute how that actually works. But it's actually pretty simple. So
it is. And vacation mode also, you had to change your handling time when you put your store into vacation mode. So it showed how long you were going to be away. All the potential buyers saw that when they clicked onto your listing, but you also had to go in and change your handling time.
Or you could get dinged. Yeah.
Or you would get dinged with eBay. So now they changed that with time away. You do not have to do that, but there are some stipulations on it.
Now you can choose if you want to still make sales while you're gone, or if you don't want to. If you want to just have your store completely, you can't make any sales while you're gone, which there's pros and cons to both. If you want to come back and you want to have sales throughout your trip and come back and maybe you have a lot of stuff to do and you don't want to do that, or maybe you do want to have that to do because you make money while you're still away.
Yeah.
So it just depends on what you want, which is nice. You can either go decide what you want to do for a vacation. Yeah. But if you don't do that, there are still other options too. So
what if you forget to put your store on time away, vacation mode, whatever you want to call it? What if you forget to notify your buyers that you are going away? Do you have any options with that? What can you do if something sells while you're away and you forgot to notify the buyer that you were out of town?
Yeah, so we've done this before. So I personally did this on one of our Christmas trips. I think I sold a set of end tables like the day after we left. We were driving out to Colorado, and I sold these. I forgot to put my handling time away or whatever, and I sold them. So I just messaged the buyer. You can message the buyer, say, hey, I'm out of town. I can get these shipped as soon as I get back, or I can refund you the money. And I mean, you're giving them the option, whatever they choose. So
yeah, that's the cool thing is you guys have a couple different options. If you do sell something when you're out of town, just notify the buyer. Be honest with them. Say, listen, I forgot to put my store on vacation. I'm actually out of town. I'll be back on this date. If you can wait till then, I can get it shipped out. A week away, whatever it is, 5 days away. I can get it shipped out then. If not, I'm happy to give you a refund. I apologize for the inconvenience, but I'm happy to give you a refund and you can find your item elsewhere. A lot of you guys that don't know us very well, we do larger items. So more, what would you call our items? They're larger items, but they're more unique items, you should say. Yeah. So a lot of times when somebody sees one of our items, it's harder to find it somewhere else. So we have the potential of telling that buyer, hey, we'll get it shipped out when we get back. And we've done it a couple times before, and they have actually told us, no worries, don't worry, I don't need it right now. Ship it out when you get it back, and I'm perfectly okay with that.
They're not usually wanting it overnight, something that's going freight or whatever. They're not
expecting, or even a large item.
Yeah, they're not expecting it right away. So they just either like it because it's a unique item or whatever, or it's just something they need, but they don't need it right then. It's not something they're expecting. But another way that you can if you don't want to use time away, another way, or maybe you don't have a store that you can do is actually just change your handling time in your bulk listings edit. So
change the handling time to however long you're going to be away, whether it's 5 days, 7 days, something like that. Go in and do the bulk edit to all your listings, 5 to 7 days, whatever it is that you're going to be away. That way when the buyer actually clicks on the item, it shows them the estimate of shipping, how long before it'll reach them. So, and there's one other way as well. You can end your listings. Once or twice a year, we do that with our listings. We typically keep about 80 to 100 listings on eBay at any given time. And sometimes we want to give it if our listings get kind of stagnant and don't start moving, sometimes we'll mass delete all of our listings and then go back a week later and start relisting them slowly just to get the SEO moving again in our listings and to help us pick up the sales on it for sure. For sure. So you do have a couple of options for the whole thing when you travel. You have a couple of options that you can do.
One thing I wanted to add too, if you do decide to pull your listings down and you want to just take them down for a little while, know that they will go away after a while. So they won't be in your drafts. I'm pretty sure it's after 30 days. you think you can still
access them
in your emails, which I'm pretty sure you still can.
Yeah.
But that may only be up to 60 to 90 days. So if you're planning to go away, like take half a year off and you want to take all your listings down, they will not be there when you come back. So just know that.
Yep.
You pretty much have a 30-day window to know that they'll still be there, but after that, you're probably not going to have them anymore. So don't be like, just know that if you're going to take them down. But if you're going to take them down for a week and put them back up, you're good.
Yep.
So
awesome. We'll jump in. Melissa's going to walk us through actually how to do time away to show you guys what to do with your store.
It's really easy, which is really cool. So let's jump in.
Awesome.
All right, just wanted to do a quick run through on how to put your account, your eBay account, on time away instead of vacation. So to get to this page right here, time away is right here. We just scroll to here and click account settings underneath, and it brings us to this page. Time away is the new vacation mode. So it's pretty cool. They have improved it a little bit, which is exciting. You can schedule the time away and have an automatic response. Also, you can pause item sales while you're away, or you can allow items to sell while you're away. So there's benefits to both. If you have you sell a ton of items, you don't want to come home to a lot, or maybe you do. Maybe you're ready to ship them all out and you want to sell while you're gone. So it's up to you on what you want to do. We actually do want to allow our items to sell while we're away. We do typically larger items and higher profit, and so it won't be as much volume to ship out, just typically larger items. So let's see, we'll go ahead and allow items to sell. The one thing with this is you can't select longer than 15 days if you're going to do this. So you can select longer than 15 days if you pause the sales. So let's go here. We can go, see, apply. All right, time away. And I can add an automatic response, which I probably will go ahead and do. Message when time away. I'll go ahead and we'll write something in just a minute, but we'll add a response. So if people are there, like, we are allowing people to buy while we're away. So we'll just write another response saying, thank you so much for your purchase. And it will be shipped out as soon as we get back. And yeah, that's it. So that's the new system. And you no longer have to also put your handling time, which is a huge change. Before, with vacation mode, you used to have to change your handling time too, but now it automatically does it with an update that was last fall. So that's it. It's pretty simple.